Exercise 1.4. Question number 1. Visualize 3.765 on the number line using successive magnification. 3.76 को हमें नंबर लाइन पर represent करना है through successive magnification, means step by step magnify करते हुए हर एक step पे we have to represent it in number line. So let's start. First of all, we'll make a number line from 1 to 10. Then 3.765 will lie between 3 and 4. So we'll magnify here and expand it on number line like this. Then इसके middle के numbers लिखेंगे. 3.765 will be between 3.7 and 3.8 because 7.6 तो 3.7 और 3.8 के बीच में ही lie करेगा. We'll expand this on another step. Then we'll magnify 3.76 and 3.77 because 3.765 will lie between these two points. We'll expand them and उनके बीच के numbers हम लिख देंगे and finally we'll get 3.756 because हमें इसको ही visualize करना था. So through successive magnification we finally reached our answer. Second question, just like this, 4.26 bar. Since bar means non-terminating, ये कभी terminate नहीं होगा but it will repeat. So इसमें हमें question में इसलिए बता दिया अलग से, हमें 4 decimal places तक ही इसे visualize करना है, which means हमारा जो reaching point है वो है 4.2626. 4 decimal places तक हम इसे visualize करेंगे. In this way again we'll draw a number line. 4.26 will lie between 4 and 5. We'll expand it like this. Then we'll write its middle numbers. 4.26 will lie between 4.2 and 4.3. In next step, we'll expand these two numbers. Write their middle numbers. 4.26. It will lie between 4.26 and 4.27. We'll expand them again because we want 2626. अब हमें 262 वाली line point find out करना है. It will be between 4.262 and 4.263. Then again we'll expand them and finally we'll reach our answer, which is 4.2626. In this way, through successive magnification, we can visualize a number on number line. I hope this question is clear to you. If you have any doubt, you can comment in comment section.